Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm going to be telling you 5 things that every Lyft driver needs to have. If you're a Lyft driver, you definitely want to keep watching, because if you don't have any of these things, I know for a fact that you will greatly benefit from any of these things that you may be missing as a Lyft driver. Anyways, let's get started. The first thing every Lyft driver needs is a rideshare insurance. I cannot stress this enough of how important it is. There have been way too many stories of Lyft drivers just getting screwed over because they don't have the right insurance. So definitely get rideshare insurance. There are a ton of amazing companies out there that offer specific rideshare insurance that is different from your personal auto insurance plan, so check those out. The second thing every Lyft driver needs is a mileage tracker. There's so many apps out there that are great for tracking miles. So why is this important? Why do you need to track your mileage? Because once it comes time to filing your taxes, if you track all your miles, this can actually help you make huge tax deductions. You want to make sure you have those miles tracked, so it gives you the chance to possibly lower the amount of taxes that you owe when tax season comes around. The third thing that every Lyft driver needs is a dash cam. You want to get a dash cam that faces the inside of the car and the outside of the car. That way, if you get into an accident and it's not your fault, you have that proof outside of your car. If your passenger starts making accusations about something you did but you didn't do it, you have video evidence in your dash cam of exactly what happened in that ride to help you, because so many drivers get deactivated due to false claims. So it's really great to have that protection. That way you don't have to risk losing your job. The fourth thing that every Lyft driver needs is a Play Octopus tablet. You might be wondering, what is Play Octopus? It's this awesome tablet that you as a driver get for free, so you can put it in the back seat for your passengers to play on. You actually could make an extra $100 per month having this tablet in your car, because the more your passengers use the tablet, the more money you'll make. Another cool thing about it is that your passengers can also get paid for using the tablet, because there are fun games you can play and you can win Amazon gift cards. You definitely want to get one of these tablets and let your passengers know, so they'll start playing on it, which can in turn make you some more money. Now, the fifth and final thing that every single Lyft driver needs to have is a phone charger. I mean, this is already a given, but you never know. Like, I'm sure there's some people out there who have forgotten their charger plenty of times, but you should just leave a charger in your car at all times. Like, never take it out of your car. It should be your specific car charger, because if you're going to be using your phone the entire day or for multiple hours using Lyft, you don't want your phone to die on you, especially when you're in the middle of a trip. Honestly, I don't even know what happens to your trip if your phone dies while you're on it. I'm assuming it's not great and you probably won't be able to end the trip. That is super important. Always have a charger, or you could have like one of those phone cases that doubles as a charger as long as the phone case is charged. It's also great to have a charger for your passengers, because a lot of times passengers will get in the car and they'll need to charge their phone, or they use their last 1% just to order the Uber. And it's just a nice thing that may get you an extra tip if you do have a charger for them. Anyways guys, those are 5 things that every single Lyft driver needs to have. Let me know down below in the comments if there's anything else you think Lyft drivers should have. Also, don't forget to check out Play Octopus. Again, we have a link down below in the description. It is an amazing way to make a possible extra $100 per month. So guys, if you like these 5 tips, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Rideshare Hub if you want to see more. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.